The customizer is available both on the web or locally for Windows and Linux. If you are familiar with the Thingiverse customizer, you will feel right at home. Let's now walk through an example to see SOL75 in action. I need a new pot for my pothos plant, so I'll choose this one. This is the main page of the customizer. On the right, we have our pot, and on the left, we can add our requirements. I'll set PLA and ABS as the only allowed materials, since this is what I have. SOL75 will choose one of the two to best fit my other requirements and will optimize the object to the properties of that material. I want the pot to fit on my shelf, so it should be quite small. Let's say, for the top diameter, maybe 13 centimeters, and for the bottom one, let's say 10. And for the height, let's use 20. I'm not sure about what has holes means. Let's have a look at the sketch. It is a visual representation of the requirements available for the object. Oh, okay, it's about drainage holes, so I'll keep them. And finally, we have mass. The tooltip says, maximum amount of material that can be used. This means that I can set a limit for SOL75, and it will use less than 0.3 kilograms of plastic. At this point, what you see here is only a rough preview. It's not the final object. For that, we need to compile. SOL75 is adapting the 3D model to our requirements. Oh, we got an error. The pot is too tall for my printer. I need to lower the height. Let's compile again. It's ready. So, here we have the final specifications. Note that we didn't have to specify every single parameter of the pot, like its thickness or these details in the middle section or the ridge at the bottom. SOL75 automatically decided on some good values for us. Great, this is what I wanted. I'll have a quick look at the bill of materials. Everything looks good. I'm ready to download. Let's now unzip and see what we got. Here is our STL file. Then we have a README, a copy of the requirements we entered, the bill of materials, and a special handbook. Let's have a quick look. It's a short PDF with detailed technical notes about how the object was designed, so you can verify the formulas used. Towards the end, you can also find some suggested 3D printing settings. Awesome! I am ready for printing.